Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing a simple Xcode app using Swift, and it's going to be Paris image switch. So that's the name of my product because I'm just going to be having a picture and switching between it. So right off the bat, I'm going to go to the main storyboard. I'm going to search for image. So it's just going to be an image that takes up the whole view of the app, of the screen, and then a switch that will switch between the two photos. Now I'm going to search for switch. I'm just going to place that there. Okay, when that's good, I'm going to connect the two so then I have more room and I can see more. I'm going to select the image, press Control, and drag it over here. I'm just going to call that picture. Now I notice that there's not a lot of room here, so I'm just going to move that down. Next, I'm going to connect the button, press Control. This is going to be an outlet. I'm just going to name this button and connect, and then I'm going to press on the button again, but this time it's going to be an action. So it's an outlet because I can call upon it when I need to, but when it's an outlet, then I can call upon it and call upon its properties, but when it's an action, then I can say that I want the button to do this when it's being pressed. So then I go ahead and I make space here so then I can write my code. Now I'm going to be using if and else statements because I'm going to say that if the switch is on, then show me a Paris picture. So if my outlet name for the switch is button, so if button dot is on. So when I say is on, I'm using a Boolean statement because you don't know if the switch is on or off. It doesn't necessarily say that when it's green it means it's on, and then when you switch it and it's not green, that it's off. So you just say that if the button is on, I want my picture dot image to be the Paris day picture. That's not how you spell it. So the thing is that I don't even have the Paris picture on here because I have to go to my assets. Now once I go there, then I can press this arrow button and press import. So I already have these on my desktop. So that's my Paris day picture. And then just doing that again. That's my Paris night picture. So you have to have whatever you're using with in your assets. So then when you want to call upon it, it's there. See, I forgot to do that. So now when I say that the button is on, I want my picture to be the Paris day picture. So I picked these two pictures because it's a night and day, so it's a contrast when you switch between the photos. And when you call upon it, it actually shows you the picture right here, so then you know that you're accessing the right one. Now I'm going to be using my else statement. Oh, wrong one. So now I'm saying that if the button is on, show me the Paris day picture. But now, when the button's off, I want it to be the night picture. So I have to say Paris night. Now, all I've said is when the button's on, show me that. When it's off, show me the night picture. So now I'm just going to go ahead and run this to make sure that these lines of code work. So pressing Command R, it will load now. Okay, there we go. It's just loading. So now I'm just going to check to make sure that it works properly, the button's pressed. So right off the bat, it's showing me this white screen here. But when I press the button, it shows me the night picture. And when it's on, it's the day, night, day. So I didn't like how it showed me the white screen in the beginning, and that now that there's this white border here, so that doesn't look really nice. So I'm going to go back to my code, I'm going to fix the white border. I'm going to go in the corner here, the top right corner, and select this view. And I'm going to go to this ruler sort of looking image that's here. And it's going to show me all the things about the view of it. And I noticed that for the auto resizing, it only has these two selected. And it shows you right there what the image is going to look like. So I'm going to select all of these then. So that means that the auto resizing is that it will fit the whole image no matter what screen it's on. Okay, now that's one problem down. Next, I didn't want it to show a white picture. So I go to my viewdidload, and I'm just deleting this because whenever there's a slash here, it means that this information is not going to affect the code. It can be just there for tips or just something you needed to put to remind yourself. But the viewdidload is what you want to first be seen on the app. So I'm going to be saying picture.image equals, and I want to start off with a Paris Day picture. So just like that. And again, of course, it shows me the image right there. So good. So now I'm basically saying that with the auto resizing that I did, that the image is going to fit the whole storyboard here. And then when the button is on, it's going to show me the Paris date. And when it's off, the Paris night, and you can switch between it. Now, pressing Command R, I'm going to run this again and make sure that it actually works. So again, I want to be making sure that it shows up here, which it does, so perfect. And when I press the switch button, that it switches between it. So that means it works properly. It showed up first, and there's not that white border that's here. So, as always, I hope you enjoyed this video.